Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by organizing layers, so the artwork you want to clip sits directly beneath the layer that will hold the clipped paint. Make a clean selection or enable alpha lock on the base artwork to preserve edges. This controls where paint appears. Once done, create a new layer above the artwork, tap the layer thumbnail and choose Clip Mask, or use two-finger drag to clip. This forces any marks on the top layer to stay within the base shape, giving you predictable masking behavior. Now paint on the clipped layer to add color, texture, and form. You can use different brushes and opacities to build depth without altering the base shape. Once painted, create more clipped layers for highlights and shadows so each element remains editable. Make sure to use blend modes like multiply or overlay and apply Gaussian blur where needed to soften edges. If proportion shifts are required, use transform on the clipped layer. Because it's clipped, the content will remain constrained to the mask, while you adjust. To finish, review clipped layers and merge only when you're sure. Keep a grouped duplicate for non-destructive edits. If you see paint leaking outside the shape, make sure the clipped layer is directly above the mask layer and that alpha lock is off on the clipped layer. Also verify you didn't accidentally paint on the base layer. Finally, export with transparency enabled if you need a PNG, or flatten for a JPEG. This preserves the masked edges exactly as you compose them.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.